Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bathroom reveal. Finally, we're doing a bathroom reveal. We redid this bathroom, several months ago, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like in the beginning to what it looked like now, so stick around. I'm finally getting around to doing a bathroom tour. Some of you may know this is our boys' bathroom or the guest bathroom in our home, and we recently redid this bathroom. Actually, it wasn't so recently. It was back in probably November or December, maybe even October, but I never got around to doing a tour and showing it to you, so that is what I'm going to do today. I was trying to wait till it was quiet, but that's not really going to happen because everybody is home now, as I'm sure most of you know. So the kids are in the rooms. I told them to try and be quiet. My husband's outside mowing and stuff, so there's just a lot of noise going on. So I thought I would walk you through and show you everything that we did in the room. We completely changed everything. Except for the mirror and the light. So I guess not. I'm going to start out by showing you our vanity. I thought it was really pretty, and I searched online for quite a while before I could find one that I liked, and I found this one at Home Depot, I do believe. Now I will say one thing, it did come with different handles. I took those off and put the same gold hardware on that we have in our kitchen. And there is a little area of paint that chipped off and I had to retouch. I used a Clorox wipe and I literally did one stroke and it just took all the paint off. So I'm not sure if it was the wipe, if you're not supposed to use it on there, but it's not like I was scrubbing. I just did a very gentle stroke. So I'm not too happy with that. But I did replace the hardware. I think I already mentioned that. It looks so pretty with it. Buddy! I'm telling you, I can't be quiet here. Quit! They're playing tug of war. And people are going by honking? What is going on? Oh, look out the window, boy! Oh my gosh! Look out the window! This is so cute. I'm gonna cry. Alright, I'm not sure where I left off, but I think I was talking about the vanity. These countertops are quartz. My husband installed them and fabricated and installed them. The faucet is from IKEA. It is this pretty polished gold color. Again, the same color scheme that I have going on in the kitchen. I'm burning one of my favorite Bath & Body Works candles. It is Cactus Blossom. And then I have this soap First Bloom in here. I like that it has the gold accents on it. And I always keep a roll of paper towels in here. I used to have a towel hook right here on the side, but with the boys I just found it easier to keep the paper towels. And this mirror is the mirror that I had in here before. It is an antique mirror that I got at an antique store. I've considered changing this out. If I ever find a different look that I like, I think I would definitely change it out, but for right now I really like it. The light up there is not a light that I like, so I won't go into detail with that. We actually did recently put that in before we changed the bathroom, but it wasn't the one. I don't know, there's just not a lot of options. I want like lights that are mounted another way, but my husband doesn't want to change the way that it's mounted, so I can just replace that. He'll agree to do that, but I don't know. I guess I'll still have to work on it some more to change the lighting up there and this one. But right now we're not changing the lighting. I hung this artwork above the toilet in here, and I'm not sure what it is, like some sort of paper mache type of art. But I just like the neutral coloring. And this shower curtain is from Target. I can't find a lot of shower curtains that I like. Oh, so another big thing, or the biggest thing that we did, is we replaced the flooring in here. I had the hardest time getting the flooring that I wanted for this bathroom. I initially wanted the hexagon, the tiny little hexagon marble tiles, and we just could not get a hold of them because I wanted to buy it at the store and not order it. And we went so many times, even went to the same store in a different state looking for them, and this was all back in October when we were doing this. And I just decided to go with these tiles with the marble look on them, and we did them in this herringbone pattern, or I should say my husband did them, thankfully, in this herringbone pattern, and I really love the look of it. And I like that the vanity sits up off the floor. The previous vanity that we had sit down at the floor, and it had gotten wet from the boys making a big mess in the bathroom. So that's something that I really like. I mean, it's a tiny little room, so there's not a lot to show. I did order this towel bar to replace the oil rubbed bronze one that we had in here. I ordered this from West Elm, and I really like the style of it. It's just so pretty. And then I got these pretty towels from Target. And of course, I've instructed the boys not to touch the towels. They're just for decoration to make it look nice and cozy in here. So, oh, and then two other new things that I got for the bathroom is this toilet tissue holder, or the toilet paper holder. I didn't really have a place to put it before we had it there mounted onto our vanity, and I really didn't want to drill any holes into the vanity, so I got this one from Amazon, and I really like that it has this marble base and the same gold color of accent. I did not want the kind that held the toilet paper rolls because my kids would probably get them wet. So everything's gonna get wet in here. I did get this simple human trash can from Amazon as well, and it is a nice gold color. I had an oil bronze one in here before, so I changed that all out to match the hardware and the faucet. So I will link probably the hardware. I'll link everything that I can below if you guys want to check that out. But I just wanted to share the completed look.